One challenge is that the models don't know what they don't know. They're very confident, again, BSers, if you pardon my French, they'll confidently tell you something that is not reality. So this is something we were having a conversation a few weeks ago, and we asked GPT-4, which with its multimodal capabilities via Bing, generate me an image of Kirby and Donkey Kong, specifically Kirby swallowing Donkey Kong for reasons I won't get into. So it generated this. Now, does that look odd to any of you? Is there anything weird about that image if you're a Nintendo fan? I mean, the answer's on the slide, but Kirby doesn't have teeth, right? So if you showed this to my son or my daughter who are Switch addicts, they would probably tell you that Kirby doesn't have teeth and this looks kind of weird. And if you ask GPT-4, which supposedly is a multimodal model, so it was trained with text and image data, does Kirby have teeth? It'll tell you very confidently, no, Kirby does not have teeth, as you can see on the right there. Yet the image generation part still generates these kind of images, which are close to reality, but contain inaccurate things. Hallucinations, or confabulations, as some people like to call them.